So when you are asked to write the summary of the poem, it means you have to write all the things which are given on the surface level. Okay, you narrate all the details, all the events, all the happenings which have been given in the poem, right? But when you are asked to write the theme or the central idea of the poem, what you do, you actually search for the message which has been given by the poet. Okay, so in theme or in central idea, what do you write? You write that thing which the poet actually wants to convey. Okay, so what would be the theme of this poem then? If you notice, he has talked about a strange force, a strange wind which is blowing on the moon. So wind is of course a force of nature. So you can say that in this poem, the poet is trying to tell us that we are nothing in front of the forces of nature. Why? Because these forces of nature, they are very powerful, they are very violent, they are very strong and mighty. So we can do nothing in front of them. Can we do something in front of the powerful forces of nature? Certainly we can't. Because if you see these earthquakes, these tsunamis, floods, can we do something in front of them? If an earthquake comes, or if there is a violent storm, or a very heavy rainfall, or a flood, can we do something in front of it? We can't. So it means that the forces of nature are very mighty and human beings are very helpless in front of them. So we can say that we are completely at the mercy of nature. We can't do anything, and we can also say that the forces of nature, or nature in itself, it is very indifferent, it is very unconcerned, and it doesn't care at all about human beings. It doesn't care what harm is going to happen to human beings. Okay, so we can say that the forces of nature are very powerful, we can do nothing in front of them, and the forces of nature, they are very indifferent and very unconcerned. So this would be the theme or the central idea of this poem. Okay.